guys, cooking is your I am back on our video. Cooking is your girl I am. Welcome to my channel. Okay guys, so if you haven't read that title, you're gonna be cooking with your girl on Yay. Okay. But before we get into this video, you got 5 simple things you can do really quick. One, comment down what content you want to see, plus what videos you want to watch. 2, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the like actually. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification so you get notification for every I post. And make sure you share the video. Real super quick things you can do. Now so let's get into it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put y'all right here and just tell y'all what's up. Alright, so I don't wanna put y'all right there. I'm gonna put y'all right here. That's fine. Okay, so I'm cooking me a breakfast burrito, breakfast wrap. I'm doing all that good stuff. It's like 7:42 in the morning. And I had opened up the balcony door so like I won't wake up my brothers with the scent. I'm probably gonna wake them up regardless, but you know, not to wake them up all the way. But yeah, we have finals today and it's ELA, and I need something to. For one, I'm surprised I got up because I usually don't get up. Like, I don't get up this early. I sleep till it's like 9. But I wanted something to eat because my mama had bought us some wraps and I wanted something to eat. So I think this will keep me focused, you know, and stuff like that. But for right now, I'm gonna let y'all watch me cook, and yeah. gonna start to form it. I know these don't look like regular tortillas, but these are the ones that my mama got like the other day. These are not the ones that I started with. So we're gonna practice on this one. So I had put cheese on the ends. So I kind of broke this one, so I want to start with this. Wait, I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like after, because I'm not gonna be able to do it while I'm holding the camera. This is how it's look. I'm gonna put a little bit of cheese where the meat is gonna be at, so it'll be able to like seal this part up. And same on this one. I'm gonna eat two because usually when I make one, I be still hungry. I'm still cooking my sausages. It was kind of taking long, and the egg, of course, is gonna cook faster. But these were in the freezer. I thought it was in the refrigerator, but I guess my mom had took it out. So I'll holler back at y'all once like it's all finished and we're getting ready to like seal this part up and heat it up and basically make the actual breakfast burrito. Okay, so I had put it on here. I'm gonna turn the eye up a little bit because I want to be able to watch my show and brush my teeth. So yeah, I had put it on here, and I'm gonna let it cook, and I'm gonna holler back at y'all once it's finished cooking. Bye. Okay guys, the last clip had got deleted. I cannot find it, so I'm gonna end it like this. It was delicious, but my brother said, also my niece is on the phone. Amari's on the phone. But yeah, they threw it away, like, because remember I made two and they threw one of them away and I got mad because it was good. But like I said, it got deleted, so I'm gonna end the video. I really hope y'all like it, but y'all know y'all got 5 important things y'all can do really quick. Comment down what content you want to see, plus what videos you want to watch. Make sure you hit the like button, make sure you hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit the notification bell so you're notified for every I post. And make sure you share and go in description and look and go find Amari's TikTok, okay? But yeah guys, your girl 𝑤𝑎𝑡𝑐ℎ𝑖𝑛𝑔 is out. He's cooking.